Come back. In this video we are going to discuss about Oracle VirtualBox installation and with Centos installation, basic commands for cloud computing who are working for cloud engineers, cloud DevOps engineers, for beginners who are trying to get a job. These most important commands, approximately I am covering more than 40 to 50 commands I am covering in this video. Please go through this video and you will get more knowledge how to clear Linux interview questions in GCP DevOps or any DevOps for cloud engineers as well. Okay, now I am showing how to install Oracle VirtualBox. First we can open this link and you can download. I already downloaded. Just next now let me copy this. This one you can download it, and after downloading, just you can go with next. You will get it, this one. Later we need to install Centos. Before installing Centos, we need to download. This is the link. With using this link we can download Centos 7 or 8. Most of the companies are using 7 version. Okay, see this one here. From your local you can practice. For your local in your laptop you can practice this. And x64, click on this one. Here you have a ISO file. I already downloaded. Just if you click on this one, here this one 4 GB file, you can download it. I already downloaded. You can see here you can see. Now how to install Centos in VirtualBox. Minimize all those things, come back. Fine. This is, if you open like this you will get it. And new mission, right? You can give whatever you want. Centos 7 and image you need to select. Go to the downloads. Yeah, see here, download. Go next. Go back. It's not required and all those things. Let me, yes, this one. Go next. Centos VirtualBox username, password. See what are the some change me, it is asking vbox user, and you can give any name. Password I am giving like Tirupati @369. okay, Tirupati @369. Go next. Host name Centos, your wish, whatever you want to give, you can give the host name, mission name. Go next. 2 GB is more than enough. If you want you can increase. Then processor 1 is there, you can increase 2. Go for 20 GB is more than enough. If you want to increase you can increase here, because we are practicing only some commands, right? This is more than enough. Go next. You will get the summary. Finish. Okay, now normal start. Now you can see some pop-up has been DVD. We need to go with this one only. Yes, give enter. You can give escape button, it will check it and scan. We don't want this one. Here you can see here, right? It will take some time. I'm not concentrating on installation, just you can go normal default installation method. Okay. Okay, just you can give it next, continue. Okay, select wherever you want. I am selecting any region, whatever you want, you can select it. I selected India. After continuing, we'll get this screen. You can set what is the date you require. You can set that. All you can set. One by one we can set. Like this, all options. Here you can see Asia Calcutta. Here minimal install, don't go with this one. We need to select graphical interface. If you click on this, you will get it. Here you can see this one. Okay, then you can give a done button and continue. Fine, it will take some time. Now you can see all options has been accepted. Go begin installation. Here you can see the right. Here you can give begin installation. Okay, now it will take some time, approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Then we have to set a root password, and if you want you can set this password also. Okay, I'll be pause for some time, then I will restart it. Still it is going on. Almost some packages has been installed. Still it is going on. It may take more than 10 minutes. Okay, it is completed and it will start for reboot. Rebooting, you can see here, you can start normal start. Then you can able to practice. It is taking time. Okay, some basic settings you need to set. Later on with using putty or some other tools we can use that and we can access this machine to do our workouts. Now see, just go next. You can select English. Rebooting, it will ask for some settings. Just you can give your name, username and password and IP address. Okay, what is the IP address? I given my name. And what is the IP address? 192.168.122.1. Try to access from a tool called putty. Okay, just minimize this. Go here and 192.168 dot 1 1 1 double 2 1. I hope so it won't connect. Okay, verify whether 1 double 2 1, right? Verify once. No, it is not connected. In this case, what you need to do, some small settings will be there. Go here in this network setting, you need to shut down the server. Okay, you can shut down the server. What I will do, you can stop the server, power off, fine. Okay, now go to the network, enable this bridged adapter. You can go with this one, allow all VMs, fine. Then give OK, then start the mission. It will take some time. After that, once we get a IP address, with using that IP address we can access a tool from the tool putty. Okay, now log into this mission. Password I have given. Okay, now right click and open terminal. Give the command host -i to identify the IP address. Fine. Right click and you will get the IP address. Now you can see here IP address is 192.168.29. You can give this in a tool called putty. We can go with that, or we can use some other tools also. For basics, what we need to learn, this is more than enough. You can minimize. Okay, open putty 192.168.29.110. You can give practice lab. You can give practice CentOS 7. Now you can minimize, not required, this is not required. You can minimize it. Just you can save whatever you want, just open it. For appearance you can increase the font size. Okay, font size you can give regular or your wish. And colors, background, foreground, what you need, background what you need. Okay, background if you want to keep it anything, just I am giving light color. And foreground foreground is yellow color, right? And background I can give black, let it be. And if you want to make it bold also, you can make it bold, fine. Just click on OK. See this one, it is user friendly. Password, where is the host name, right? And from now onwards we'll go what are the questions we need to be discussed. For introduce, I'm going to discuss. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm giving small break and coming back.